Hello everyone, Sarah here. Welcome back to FTC, Funded Trader Capital. Today we're continuing with how to help you become a funded trader with FTC. We are going to talk about the maximum daily loss. We will be explaining how much you should not lose in order for you to pass your evaluation challenge. As part of our commitment to continuously enhance our services and meet the evolving needs of our clients, we are implementing a significant change to our trading policy. Effective today, we are increasing the maximum overall loss required for newly purchased FTC challenges from 8% to 12% maximum overall loss. Phase 1, Demo Stage. In this stage, you should not lose 5% of your account. You need to keep your maximum daily loss to 5% and your maximum overall loss to 12% for unlimited trading days. Phase 2, Verification. Once you've successfully completed Phase 1, for Phase 2, you maintain the same consistency rules as in Phase 1. Phase 3, Get Funded. Once you've successfully completed Phase 2, in this stage, you'll receive 80% of the profits you generate with weekly payouts. However, you'll still need to maintain the same consistency rules and keep your maximum daily loss to 5% and your maximum overall loss to 12%. FTC, turning your dreams into reality.